To edit collage photo frame, let's come over to templates here, and we want to search from here collage photo frame. Let's enter that, and we have all those beautiful collage photo frames come up. Whichever one that works with your vibe, you can choose that and start to edit that. We are going to pick this first one, and we're going to click on customize this template. As usual, I like to give my document a name I can use to remember it. From here, you want to start pulling in your pictures. We are going to go into our upload tab. You can upload your photos from here that you want to put into this collage. I have a few photos here I want to put into this collage, and I'm going to pull and let it select where I want it to be added. Let me change this. You see, I just dropped it and it drops in. Let me just pull it in, and you see I've added this image into this collage, and from here I can begin to add others here. Yeah, you can click on this and go to crop and pull out the image you want to be seen properly. I'm going to click on done. Let me add this one here. I'm going to add this image in here. Let me add this one here. And you see, because her hand is facing like this, I want her to come into the design. I will click on the image and come to flip and flip horizontally. You see, it now seems as if she's talking this way. Let me quickly pull this and put it here. I'll pull this and place it here. I'm going to come to this image and go to crop here, and I want to bring her in. Another thing I would like to do is to drag this image and let it select the background. Now I have this image here. I'm going to go to these three dots and come to position, and I'll come over to layers and move that image to go behind all the images, and I want to click on transparency and tone down the transparency of that image so that it has sort of a mirror sort of kind of effect on it. I'm going to go into crop so I can take this water bottle away. I'm going to pull it, but some people are going to go, and I will bring it down. Some people have to go, even though the smile is so beautiful, but they have to go. I have this position, and I will click on done, and you begin to see the design coming to life. To even take this one step further, I'm going to go into here, go to position. I want to make that color a bit darker. I will go to the background color, and come here and go to select a darker shade of black. You see, it begins to give you this shade behind it. And now I'm going to take out this text, and let me go find something I want to add. I'll go to my project. I'll go over to design. Let me add in a new page. Let's open this one first. I'm going to add this into this page. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to just drag it and take it up to this space. And let me increase the size a bit and go to position and put that in the center. I'm just going to take a bit of shadow because this is showing their feet. I'm going to click on this shadow and I'll pull it like so, and I'll go to position and I'll take it to the bottom, and I'll go to flip and flip it vertically. That way you see it has covered their feet, and I'll come into layers and move this to go behind all these images, but on top of this image. You can see that this part is well darkened and they are seeing the faces better. Our design has taken shape, and I'm going to delete this page that I added to pull out the design from, and we'll have a beautiful collage. You can as well add animation to this. You can go to animate and use the page animation to animate the whole page. You see it, how it begins to animate into a full vibe depending on what you want. But I will leave it as a static image, and I will go to share here and click on download to download my design as a PNG file.